Hi, I'm Stu Miniman, Senior Analyst with Wikibon. I want to talk today about hyperconverged infrastructure and how it is leading to enterprise cloud environments. So first, let's start with hyperconverged infrastructure. So it's a technology that's been around for a few years now. Wikibon has dubbed it the wave of server SAN, which hyperconverged fits into. And what this is a number of technologies and really methodologies for building solutions that have come together. So you have, first of all, the advent of Flash, which is greatly changing the architectures of infrastructure. You have the increased role of software to really be the main piece of the solution itself, really separate from the hardware. And then you have solutions that are built in distributed architectures. So we saw these early in the likes of what Google, Facebook, and the other hyperscale companies were building. And there are now solutions like hyperconverged infrastructure that are bringing these down to the enterprise environment. So what does this mean for the user? So first of all, it's about breaking those silos. So in the past, when I used to build my infrastructure, I would do it application by application. I would have bespoke environment that I need to change all those geek knobs and really adjust what I'm doing. I need something that's much simpler. So small building blocks that I can just buy, I understand what they have, and move forward. We're really talking about bringing compute and storage together. Secondly, the operational model needs to be a lot simpler. That means that both when I bring it up on day one, it should be able to happen much faster, really talking about something that should be able to be spun up in a matter of hours, not weeks or months. And after the fact, adding new expansion nodes in is real easy, adding capacity is easy, and things like upgrades should just be a push of a button. One of the things that takes this beyond just standard infrastructure and makes it more like a cloud is really that management and orchestration layer. So what this means is I need to have simple environments that can help enable automation and really is a foundational layer that ties into whatever frameworks I'm using. So usually an API-based environment that allows me to I shouldn't have to manage things too much, but once I've set it up, I've got it running. The solution's going to take care of itself a lot. Enterprise cloud also means that not only can this be something that is in my environment on-prem, but really should be able to bridge and have similar type of operating models off-prem too. So that's that hybrid cloud type environment. If you want to go to Wikibon, read up on what we call true private cloud, goes on to this a lot more details. So really talk about simplicity, extending a lot of the value proposition that we had for virtualization, but adding that management and orchestration layer to really get us out of much of the day-to-day activity and the daily hamster wheel of having to manage our infrastructure, which should change the economics quite a bit to look much more like what the promise of what cloud has been striving to deliver, especially in my own data center and beyond. Learn much more by going to wikibon.com to see all our research, and thank you for joining us.